The big blue truck brings a tasty treat. An apple and banana, oh so sweet. The fruit truck is here, hip hip hooray! Big watermelon and cherries today. Look at the yummy fruit, bouncing all around. Dragon fruit and grapes on the sunny ground. Here is a coconut and a pomegranate too.
Mango, pineapple, strawberry, blueberry,
Orange, lemon,
Kiwi pear, bouncing fruits every pair, so much fun to share.
papaya, rolling in lava, fresh fruit fun for everyone.
Custard apple, chiku,
peach, plum, avocado, lychee, an apricot and a fig so fresh and sweet. Rolling in the truck, what a treat! Here we have a dragon fruit, and here are some grapes too. Healthy snacks from me to you.
Raspberry, blackberry.
If you like our video, please like, share, and subscribe our channel.